In this video, we'll walk you through the setup of the OIDC SSO plugin for Jira using Google Apps as the OAuth OpenID provider. Let's begin. First, open the miniOrange OIDC SSO app in Jira and click on Configure. Next, click on Add New App and select Google Apps as the OAuth provider. Now, switch to the Google Cloud Console. Click Credentials to begin managing your credentials. Click Create Credentials to start the process of adding new credentials. Choose OAuth Client ID to specify the type of credentials you want to create. Now, in the application type, select Web Application to define the OAuth Client for a web-based app. Give a descriptive name to your OAuth Client. Click Add URI to add an authorized redirect URI for your application. Now, switch back to the miniOrange OIDC SSO app in Jira. Click Copy Link to copy the OAuth callback URL needed for Google Cloud configuration. Go back to the Google Cloud Console and paste this callback URL into the authorized redirect URIs field. Click Create to finalize the creation of your OAuth Client ID. Next, return to the miniOrange OIDC SSO app. In the Application Details section, enter the custom app name as Google App to easily identify the OAuth provider. Now for Client ID. Switch back to Google Console and select the client you just created. Copy the client ID and paste it in the respective field. Similarly, for Client Secret, click here to copy the OAuth Client Secret and paste it here. Now, set the scope as OpenID, Profile, and Email. Click on Save Changes. To verify the setup, click on the Test Configuration button. Choose your Google account. If everything is configured correctly, the test will show a successful status. Now, when users log into Jira, they will see the option to log in using OAuth Login. Upon clicking it, they will be redirected to Google, where they can enter their email and password. After successful authentication, users will be redirected back to Jira. They can then go to their profile section to confirm that their user details have been successfully fetched from Google. That's it. You've successfully configured OIDC single sign-on for Jira using Google Apps as the OAuth provider. Thank you for watching.